Hi people, outside in my yard. Just been over to the sawmill. And this little tiny bundle of timber, 18 shiplap boards, 9 lengths of 4x2, 12 lengths of 3x2, 9 lengths of 3x2 treated, some screws and some glue, and nearly 700 bloody quid. 10-foot lengths. Well, I couldn't bloody believe it when he said nearly 700 quid. 600 and something. Oh, what? But anyway, got the shed in the corner, but it's too small. So where the ladder is and the mower and everything, against the edge of the conservatory, put in an 8x7 shed there, which it should come to about here. Patio doors to go in. Got a new door over there ready to go on. So we're just having a single door. Too much glass and it's bloody cold in the winter. But I think I've overestimated on the shiplap boarding. I thought it only got a 3-inch cover, but it hasn't. It's got a 4.5-inch cover. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to the windowsill. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 boards. 20 boards. And that's 8 foot long. And I got them 16 foot long. And I got 18 boards. I thought it was easier to go back and get 2 than it is to have 2 left over. But I'm going to end up with a lot more cover than I thought anyway. So these slabs are 2-foot slabs, so it'll be 4 slabs away, so it'll bring it up to here. If there's any boards left over, we'll extend that dustbin shed, store the wheelie bins in there, extend that, and I can hide all this crap in there. Kids have still got plenty of room. I can still get the car in, I can still get the van in, but the van overhangs by about 2'6", 3 foot. Could have done with an extra 10 foot on the end of this garden. That would have been ideal. Still, never mind. Get on with it.
Right, ladies, gentlemen, I'm here. Taking all the boards off the end of my shed, except for the top 2. Not yet. Taking the insulation out. Insulation's still in that one. A bit bloody tight. But taking the door frame out, and then you suddenly find out a little bit rotten, which is good, like, because I'm replacing it. But we go up. Right. Look at the size of that bugger. Where's Brett when you need him? Brett, come and get to the fighter. Brett. He's a big bugger. I mean, if I go up there, look, I'm put my finger next to him. Oh, no, I can't see me. I can't see the screen now. Hang on. Is he going for me? Hang on, where's my finger? Where's my finger? There it is. You can see her. See how big a bugger is? He's as big as my finger now. Oh, he's homeless now. Slug. If I can focus in on him. Which brick is it? Which brick is it? There it is. Slug. That's the bugger that's been leaving the bloody snails trails on the bloody carpet in the conservatory. But anyway, that's gone. Mine, bloody wood lice. Millions of them. I'm going to replace that bloody timber now. Didn't want to be doing that. I know I got to replace them around there. There's new timbers going in there. Never mind. Oh, I'm still zoomed in. There you go. No timbers marked out on the bench. Got my chop saw out. I haven't made a hole in that pile of timber yet. Oh well. Catch you. Right, bit of progress, people. As I said, I got all the boards off, so I'm taking that piece of insulation again. No rush for that. Right, but I've taken the patio doors out. They're there. Right, and if anybody wants them, come get them. The question was, why take them out? Well, to me it's too much glass, and I got toddlers. Although it is plate glass, so they ain't likely to break it. But it's a lot of cold area in the winter, even though they're double glazed. When the sun does come out, it does really warm the conservatory up. But they're too wide. You know, they're 30 inches, right? So that's 60 inches of open glass. Looked bloody great in there, but they only opened 28 inches. Right, well, bought a door, mahogany door, right, with glass in all the way up, and that opens 30 inches, so I gained 2 inches, right, but behind there, there's a little window, that'll go in that corner there, and the door will go in the middle there, and putting the tumble dryer up in that corner. So that'll be, and then the shed is going to go from 4 inches back off there, right, out. So that's should be just under 6 foot inside. Or should be 8 foot long. Right. Hark at that lot. I don't know what they're doing down the road. Making a noise anyway. I haven't finished taking the boards off the top yet. But anyway, that's as far as I got so far. And just a recap, if I can get into it without the sun shining on it. 26 degrees, 10 past 10, 26 degrees, and hang on, so look, did I go the right way? No. There you go. I got the shirt off. Got my shirt off. Got my boobies out. I've only stopped because it's time for tea. "28 degrees, that's inside the conservatory. The wall's missing. Alright, just got back now. Another cup of tea. OSB and 50mm polystyrene because it's going in the floor. I wouldn't like to use it in the walls because it is a bit of a fire hazard. Got the frame up. And I'm still undecided whether to put that little window in there or not. I'd like to. I'll leave that until the daughter comes home. So, I've got to hang the door now, put a frame in there and hang the door. Otherwise we can't lock up tonight. The OSB can get screwed to the wall. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. 28.5. Whoa. And that's not the time now, it's 2:36. Let's turn that down. I'll get copyrights. Click. Right. I just started to board it. Got the featherhead shiplap boarding on. Put a guideline piece of wood on because there's architrave going around there. That's all going on well. Doors on. So I got it propped back now because it's surprising how windy it is. Let's unprop that. There you go. Let's move back so you can see it. Oh, I got the ladder in the way, never mind. There you go, look at that then. Eh? So I'll board that up this afternoon. I'll finish it up to the top just as though it's secure tonight. And I got a piece of plywood to go over the gap. And I'm not touching any of that because I want to build a base for the shed, because it won't have a wall in that far end. That window's coming out, and I don't know whether to put the window in the side of the shed yet or not. I don't know. I might do. Excuse me. But I need a hand to move all this. It's too bloody heavy for me. Clematis has fell over. Not hardly touched the timber yet. I'm on this feather edge boarding now. I'm only getting 2, 4, 6, 7 strips, 7 pieces out of a length there. So I don't think I have over ordered. I took one length just to go up, what's that, 3 foot, 2 foot 6. So I don't think I'm far out. Right. Door's closing nicely anyway. Got the door stop all around the inside. Got the door stop all around the inside. And she's done nothing but sleep all day. She's in my bad books. There. That's what it's going to look like from inside. But of course there'll be 4-inch king span in that wall. Nicely insulated. There'll be foam fill underneath the timbers, and then screw them down so it had a chance to spread out underneath. And after design, woodlice don't like foam fill. So that'll stop the buggers. Right. Right people. Started to lay out the frame. Got the Alperier today. Shorts on. Sexy shorts. See, I have got wood machinery. Circular saw over there. Well, table saw. And the frame's over there for it. I'm putting it up together. Don't need to strip nothing yet. Just cut those two to the right length. And Tyler's making sure. I'm going to get him to count all those in a minute, just to see how many's in there. Yeah, might.
Oh.
What have you got there?
I'm taking that.
You're measuring that?
Yeah.
What size to? At the moment I'm hoping that's left over.
Number 1.
Yeah, at the moment I'm hoping that's left over. So I want that as a corner post, because it's treated on the floor. There's ordinary plain wood on the walls.
I need to
Do you
come
want,
down.
do you want the pencil?
Huh?
Do you want the pencil?
No.
No. No, you're not allowed anything sharper than a wax crayon, are you?
I'm just counting it.
But when he came home from school, I'd only put 1 screw in each board, and he come along, he's had the ladder and the box of screws, and he put all the other screws in, and then he couldn't pick the drill up to be able to screw them in, so I had to do that. Glad to get the yard back. Right, there's all the insulation that's going in the floor and the OSB. Right, quite chuffed up. Happy to work on his own. He doesn't know what he's doing, like, because he keeps falling over.
I did fall over at school.
You fell over at school?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Yeah. Well, falling over doesn't hurt. It's a sudden stop on the floor, isn't it? Yeah. All our chicks are fledged. Oh, she's gone. Right. $6.35. Still 26.7. And he's still working. I just finished. That's the floor. That'll get filled in with some polystyrene. I'm not too worried about it polystyrene in the floor. There's no cabling or nothing going under the floor, so I know polystyrene is a fire risk. I can see I've got something flashing in the middle of my screen and I can't see what it is. Hey! I told you not to do that because you'll bake holes in that. See the old iron on there. There's a black sealer in between the joints of felt. Stop any creepy crawlies coming in. There. That's done up to that eye so far. I took 2.5 boards. I hope there's enough left. There's another 3 sides to make it. Well, all that's got to come down across the gutter. All that's coming off. A new one there. And then I don't know where the roof. I'm just having one sloped roof. So he's going to be lower. The shed's going to be lower than the conservatory. So the front of it's going to be as high as the gutter, the underside of the gutter, so it doesn't run straight onto the shed.
Oh, sorry, Gaga.
What do you mean, sorry, Gaga? Too late once you've done it, isn't it?
This did
Ah.
the same.
As if he's going to hurt the ladders.
Gaga's
What if it falls on his head? Right.